Well, before I joined ServiceMaster, I was at college. I did my A levels, and then during the summer, before I went to start another course at another college, I worked for ServiceMaster just as a driver in the summer job. I then went to the college where I was doing a business studies HND, and after 9 weeks, I dropped out and bumped into the owner of ServiceMaster again, and they said, come back and work for us for a couple of weeks because we've got someone on holiday. So I did that, and 35 years later, I'm still here. Well, I like being my own boss. Accidentally got into it. After 2 years, I felt like I was in a rut. So I ended up buying my own franchise at the age of 20, and with a friend of mine. So I went into partnership with a friend, and we bought the Basingstoke and Newbury franchise, and we ran that together for 3 years. I left and came back and joined Kingston ServiceMaster again, while my friend carried on running the Basingstoke one for another 2 or 3 years until he ended up emigrating. Years ago, before the internet, it used to get huge amounts of customers from all over the area because there was no internet. And we had the biggest advert in Yellow Pages, and we used to get so much work from all the outlying areas. But we're doing okay, we're ticking over. Just got to keep working at it. Just got to, just have that. Well, I have to, because I've now got 3 guys that I've got to make sure are out working all day, every day. So every single lead I have to chase up and do my best to get, and, try and convince them to go with us.